Hey everybody, I just thought I'd give an update on my cheap eBay convertible top that I put in last summer. Just want to see what it, just want to show you what it looks like after it's been through some heat from the summer and some snow, freezing temperatures, below zero temperatures, and all that in the last 6 or 7 months. I'd say it's doing pretty well. Um, Obviously, it's dirty. This car sits outside. It's still soft, still retaining its shape, and I think it still looks pretty good considering I'm an amateur that did this. So, sometimes I guess going the cheap route works, but I'll definitely say it was a pain in the butt to put on. The hardest part that I found was this part here. If you follow the place where it clips in here, then this is just going to wrinkle. And these cheap eBay tops, they don't come with any guideline at all on the back here, which is pretty much imperative to get it right the first time. And I had to take it out, put it back in multiple times to get it right. But as you can see, every part of it is nice and tight except for wrinkles right here on both sides, and I gave up trying to get it completely out because as far as others that I've seen, I'd say this one looks pretty dang good and I didn't want to mess with it anymore. So we'll see how long it lasts, but if I do get another one, I'm gonna really try and find a cheap one that has the guidelines back here so that I don't run into the issues that I had trying to copy the one that came off of the car. And obviously, now that I know, it's not going to be exactly right because the top is totally different. It's a different maker and an OEM one, and this is an eBay one, and they're not exactly the same. So whatever mark I put on there is just guessing anyway. So, but just thought you'd like to see how it's handling the weather out here. Like I said, it's been out here in the elements for the last 7 months and still looking good and looks 100% better than the top that came off of it. And I will wash the car eventually, but it's still winter here, so we'll wait on that, and maybe I can do an update later.